For those of you that have not seen this video on my page, I'm replaying it, and this time around I made it shorter. This is transparent liquid soap. So I'm using just 3 major ingredients: Texapon, SLS, and salt. So you can see I'm adding the 1 kg of Texapon inside the mixing bowl. Look at it. So the next thing I'm going to add is salt. I'm going to add salt to it. We use 250 grams of salt. Though you're seeing 500 grams, this salt had already been used. So it's not even up to 250 grams that I'm using. I just used half of it that I used. I've used it before, so the remaining one, that's what I'm using. So I'm mixing the salt with the Texapon. So many people don't believe in this transparent liquid soap, but it works so well. Now this is SLS, half kg of SLS. I'm mixing it with water. Remember, I'm working with 10 liters of water because I want to produce 10 liters of transparent liquid soap. So after pouring the SLS into this water, I will now put it inside my Texapon and salt mixture. All the water, everything here is just 10 liters. I didn't even use all the 10 liters because I want to see how the soap will come out first. If it is not thick, I'm not going to add the remaining part of the water. That's how I produce all my soap, whether multi-purpose liquid soap. I don't add all the water until I've seen the final product. So here I'm adding the color, orange color to it, and then after that I'm going to add my fragrance. That's how transparent liquid soap is made. There's no big deal about it. It's a very beautiful soap, and it does not get bad easily. I've now seen the one I kept for almost a year is still there, very nice. So I added my fragrance, I'll stir it. After that, I'll keep it till the next day. And then the next day, I brought it out. This is the next day, I brought it out. Now, why the foam is still there is because I stirred it. I added small water to it and stirred it. That's why you're seeing the foam. So it's ready. I don't have to wait for the foam to go. But you can see it's very transparent and very beautiful. It smells so good and it lasts. This soap, I kept part of it for at least a year and it stayed without nothing. So go and do your own. Go and practice it. Don't just learn something and keep it. Make sure you are practicing everything you're learning. That's how you will be a pro on that particular product. Thank you for watching. Please invite others.